In this video, we are going to learn about types of mountains. Nearly 27% of the world's land surface is covered by mountains. It is formed that mountains that up to 80% of planet's fresh surface water come from. According to United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, about 12% of world's population lives in the mountains, but over 50% are directly or indirectly dependent on mountain resources. Mountains are the storehouses of natural resources. Large resources of minerals like petroleum, coal, limestone are found in mountains. The mountains are the main source of timber, lag, medical herbs, and etc. Hydroelectricity is mainly generated from waters of perennial rivers in the mountains. Perennial rivers arising in the snow-fed or heavily rain-fed mountains are one of the important sources of water. They help in promoting irrigation and provide water for many other purposes. The rivers that originate from the high mountain ranges bring slit along with the water to the lower valleys. These help in the formation of fertile plains and further expansion of agriculture and related activities. The mountain can also act as natural boundaries between two countries. They have a prominent role in protecting the country from external threats. They serve as climatic divide between two adjoining regions. The mountain cause organic rainfalls, diversion, and blocking of cold winds, and etc. The pleasant climate and beautiful sceneries of the mountains have led to their development as centers of tourist attraction. The height of the mountains are over 600 meters and have conical peaks. On the basics of origin, there are four types of mountains: block mountains, residual or relict mountains, volcanic or accumulated mountains, and fold mountains. Block mountains. Block mountains are also formed by the internal or endogenic earth movements, which causes the force of tension and faulting. The downlifting or uplifting of the land in between two parallel faults result in the formation of block mountains. The block mountains is also called as horst. The middle part of such mountain is lower and the other part on both sides are higher. The middle lower portion is called as Rift Valley. The longest Rift Valley is the valley of Jordan River. Examples: Black Forest, Germany; Vindhya Range, Satpura Ranges in India; Salt Range in Pakistan are some of the examples of block mountains. Residual or relict mountains. The effects of weathering acts upon the earth's crust constantly. To a large extent, the process of wearing down depends on the shape and structure of rocks upon which it acts. So in some cases, some portion of an elevated area escape from the process of weathering due to the hardness of materials it is made of. This portion remains unweathered while its surrounded area gets eroded constantly. This results in the formation of residual or relict mountains. Examples: hills like Nilgiri, Palakonda, Prasnat, and Rajmahal, mountains like Karavali are some of the examples of relict mountains in India. Volcanic mountains are accumulated mountains. The mountains are formed by the accumulation of volcanic materials are called as volcanic mountains in form of like lava, rocks, sand, soil, etc. are on the earth's crust. And examples are Mount Mauna Loa in Hawaii Island, Mount Popa in Myanmar, Fujiyama in Japan, and sand dunes are some of the examples of volcanic or accumulated mountains. Fold mountains. Mountain ranges mainly consisting of uplifted folded sedimentary rocks are called fold mountains. These are formed because of the folds in the rock due to internal motion or compression of the earth. These are wave-like mountains which have numerous peaks and lows. Himalayas in Asia, the Alps in the Europe, the Rockies in North America, and the Andes in South America are the most prominent fold mountains in the world. Since these mountain ranges were formed during the most recent mountain building period, they are known as young fold mountains. If you found this video as informative, Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want me to do more content videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.